In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add footer in Google Sites. A footer is that consistent strip at the bottom of your pages where you can place helpful information, things like a short description, contact links, a logo, or quick navigation. Adding one makes your site feel complete and gives visitors an easy place to find essentials. First, open Google Sites and edit your site. From the site's homepage, choose the site you want and make sure you're in the editor so you can see the right-hand Insert, Pages, and Themes panels along with the top toolbar. If you're already editing, you're ready to go. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of your page. You're looking for the Add Footer prompt that appears beneath your last section. It can be subtle, so keep scrolling until you're at the very end of the page content. Click Add Footer. Google Sites instantly creates a dedicated footer area. This section is special because it repeats across your pages, which saves you time and keeps your design consistent. Edit it once and the update appears throughout the site. Type your text or add links and images. Click inside the footer and begin with the most important items: a concise tagline or organization name, the current year for copyright, and any must-have links. To turn text into a link, highlight it and use the link icon to paste a URL or select a page on your site. If you want a small logo or social icons, choose Image from the Insert panel or use the Image button so the graphic sits neatly in the footer. Keep content short. The best footers are informative but uncluttered. Finally, format the footer as needed. Use the text toolbar to adjust font style, size, color, and alignment. If you have multiple items, drag them side by side to create simple columns and balance the layout. Consider applying a section background so the footer stands out. Many sites use a subtle contrast to separate it from the main content. You can also add a divider directly above the footer to create a clean visual break. Check spacing so everything breathes, and make sure links are easy to tap on mobile. That's it. With a clear, well-formatted footer in place, your site looks polished and your visitors get quick access to key information at the exact spot they expect it.